It's a very unfortunate day for the sports persons and for the country that the IOC has de-recognized the IOA. The Government of India has tried its best to resolve the situation. On the 21st of November, the Secretary of Sports in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports had written to IOC and had suggested that we all should sit on the table, discuss the matter. If there are any confusions about the sports code or the IOC charter, we should sit and resolve. We did not get a reply from them. Subsequently, I had called a meeting of the IOA where all the office bearers of the IOA had come and met me. I had requested them that they should amend their constitution and incorporate the sports code, which is in sync with the IOC charter. So they are both one and the same things. Some of these practices, some of the transparency which is needed should come into all the associations. And sadly, that was not done, and today now the IOA has been de-recognized. I feel it's very, very important, instead of pointing fingers at who and why and how it happened. I think it is important to move forward, and the Government of India will take every possible steps to speak with IOC, speak with IOA, impress upon them, and especially for the youth, for the sportsmen of the country. I would like to even say at this point of time that we will also speak to all other stakeholders, including sports persons, people who've been office bearers in the past, people who matter to the world of sports, and we would take all necessary steps. As the ministry has only merely an advisory role, we do not have direct jurisdiction or any sort of a mandate to impress upon them, but whatever it takes, we will try and do for the sportsmen of the country.